Okay, before anyone gets worked up, we're not making super authentic, true Mexican enchiladas today. Today we're making easy chicken enchiladas that you can get on your dinner table in less than half an hour and still have people say, wow, that was a delicious dinner. We're going to start with 2 cups of shredded chicken. Now, I usually just take a couple chicken breasts, chicken thighs, and toss them in my Instant Pot, and then I'll shred the chicken, but you could use, a picked rotisserie chicken, use whatever you have on hand. Make it easy. Now for this recipe, you're going to need a total of 2 1/4 cups of enchilada sauce. This is my super easy homemade enchilada sauce I just shared in my last video. Of course, you can use store-bought if that's all you have on hand, but I really do like this one. Oh, before we go any further, get your oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That'll be important in a couple minutes. All right, so you'll need 3/4 cup of this enchilada sauce. Add it in with the chicken. 3/4. Oh no, I got some on my lime. And you'll need a total of 2 cups of shredded cheese for this recipe. We are only adding 1 cup in with the chicken for now. I recommend using Monterey Jack, Colby Jack, cheddar cheese, or a blend of those. I'm using Colby Jack today. This is my kid's favorite, so it helps me get them to eat it. Another ingredient I like to add is a 1/2 cup of finely chopped yellow onion, white onion, or a sweet onion. I don't cook this or anything, I toss it right in the mix, but if you don't like onion, just skip it, no big deal. Or if you're in a hurry, you don't feel like chopping a veggie, it'll be okay without it. Now, sometimes if I want to bulk this up even more, I will add in like a 4-ounce can of drained green chilies or 1/2 can of drained beans, like black beans. Just kind of bulks things up a little bit, but you'll have a little filling left over, no big deal. All right, next thing you need is 10 corn tortillas. These are 6-inch tortillas, maybe 5, kind of small. You could use slightly larger flour tortillas if you want, but you'd only get like 8 enchiladas that way. Now, corn tortillas, not super pliable when they are cold or room temperature. They're very prone to cracking. So some people will microwave these. I never have a lot of success microwaving them to keep them from cracking. So what I do is I just heat a small skillet over medium-high heat, and I toss them on the skillet and cook them on each side for like 7 to 10 seconds, and then they're nice and pliable. All right, see, this is probably the most time-consuming part of the whole process, but it's really quick. It takes you 3 minutes to cook them. All right, set those aside. I'm actually gonna cover them with my towel just to try to keep them a little bit warm, but we'll move quickly here. We need a 13x9 pan, try to make room. We're just going to add a little bit of sauce to the bottom. Just want like a nice thin layer of sauce. Just spread that over the bottom. You could do a little bit more, don't you think? And now let's assemble. We'll just take 1 corn tortilla at a time. You'll divide the filling evenly between the tortillas. It's about a 1/3 cup of filling per tortilla. You don't need to measure it exactly, you're just evenly dividing it. Just try to evenly distribute that, and you're just going to fold it over, and you're going to place this seam side down. And to get all 10 of these to fit, you're kind of gonna do it a little counterintuitively. Have 5 and then 5. Let's do a few of these. We're just gonna do all of them. I'm not gonna make you watch all of them though. All right, take the rest of your sauce and we're just going to drizzle this over the enchiladas nice and evenly. All right, then remember our cheese from earlier? You should have a cup left, and we're just going to sprinkle this evenly over the enchiladas. All right, this is going into the center rack of your 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. We're going to bake it for like 20 to 25 minutes. You really just need everything to get nice and warm and that cheese to be nice and melty before you dig in. All right, these are nice and hot. Let them cool just a little bit before you dig in. These are incredible paired with my refried beans. Don't have a video for that yet. Add some sour cream, guacamole, a little bit of cilantro. They're amazing and they're very easy to make. Let me know what you think of this one. If you want to see more easy weeknight dinners that are still packed with flavor, I really do always love hearing from you. I need some guacamole and sour cream. So good. Okay, my math isn't that bad. Okay, sorry. Where did I put my sauce? Here it is. Okay, it's gonna be hot.